Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace an air filter. First, gather your essential tools: a new air filter designed for your vehicle and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure your car is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Then, open the hood and locate the air filter housing, which is typically a large black box near the engine. Now, let's access the old filter. You'll usually find several metal clips around the perimeter of the air filter housing. Unclip these, and if there are any screws, use your Phillips head screwdriver to loosen them. Once all fasteners are released, gently lift the top half of the housing to expose the old, dirty air filter inside. With the housing open, carefully lift out the old air filter. Take a moment to inspect the housing for any leaves, dust, or other debris and wipe it clean with a cloth. Now, take your new air filter and place it into the housing, making sure it sits flush and securely in its designated tray. It should fit perfectly without forcing it. Finally, let's secure everything. Carefully lower the top cover of the air filter housing back into place, ensuring it aligns correctly. Reattach all the metal clips you unfastened earlier and tighten any screws with your Phillips head screwdriver. Double-check that the housing is completely sealed to prevent unfiltered air from entering your engine. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.